And of course then, what's overlooked is that simulation, it's more than just a 3D visualization. And that's like the main point I want to try to make here. And this little graph just shows, especially if you look at time to market versus the workload or the risk, when you get towards the commissioning end of it, that's where what does it cost? What's your hourly rate? If you have a guy on site a couple of months or a couple of weeks, what's his hourly rate for travel and cost? What happens if there's mechanical damage on the field versus finding that error in design earlier stages? So faster time to market, better quality, reducing the risk. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Again, it's not a question of if, it's just a question of when, and a question of adoption, and which simulation model, which tool is relevant for your business at the machine level, at the robotic cell level, or at the line level. Siemens can support all of those, and we have vendors like Longterm. In this presentation now, we're going to get into, say, at the at the cell level with robotics. So here, just to emphasize that's machine level, cell level, that's that little image you see there, that's kind of a typical robotic cell, or the whole facility. And in each of those three scenarios, you have different use cases, and that's a very important point. If you're getting into this simulation, whether you're a machine and line builder or the end user, what is your use case? Do you just want throughput analysis, or do you need detailed physics for how some geometry is going to work? We can support you, but those are completely different tools because they do different things. Okay, so that's a very important point as you're getting into this.